Hi, this is Sree from Shogini. Welcome to my Techie Talks AI channel where we go through different LLM and AI based experiments. This is the fourth video on PydanticAI. If you haven't watched my previous 3 videos, they're very important. Please do watch. They're unconventional, where we experiment and reveal the internal workings of these libraries, beautiful libraries. So in this is a tiny video where we'll see how dependency injection works. Okay. Again, I have my Google Colab notebook. I have already saved my API keys, which I have explained in my previous videos, in the secret section. I picked up this code snippet from the official documentation itself, but we will see how it works. So here, after our imports, getting the API key, and here we have the definition. Now this is simplest dependency addition, okay, where we are not creating any Pydantic base model for dependency. Here the dependency is just a string. So dependency type is added as a string, which means during the agent run, you can pass any parameter that is susceptible for change. So let's see what that parameter can be. And of course, we have a tool, and there is one more tool, and here also it shows how different ways tools can be defined. One is a tool plain, which is no context, no CTX, and here we have the normal tool call where we can pass the context. Okay, so run context, we can pass, and there we have access to the dependency value. So remember, to get access to the dependency value that we are injecting during run, you need the run context, and from the run context you get the dependency. In this case, it is just a string. If it was with a class with multiple values, you may have to pick DEPS dot whatever API key or whatever. So in this case, since it is a string, we are just calling it directly. Okay, so agent.run sync, we are passing the dependency and giving it a name. Okay, we will run it once. See, and you roll 2. Better luck next time. So what we will do is, let's copy this and comment this out, and dice result, I will change this to Sree and run it. See here, so it's able to get the name as a string through the dependency injection. That is all I wanted to show in this demo. So in case if you want to call a query and there is an API key, or there is some value like user ID or something like that you need to pass, which a tool needs to use, for instance, to access the database or something like that, or if large language model needs to reply back with that variable, this is the way to pass. Clear? So if you have some creative idea that you have discovered in PydanticAI dependency, please give your comments in the comment section, and please remember to like, share and subscribe. This is Sree signing off. See you again in another video. Bye-bye.